What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and we are here for day number 2 at the Duel in the Desert. Or is it day number 3? Do we count practice night? No, we don't. It's day number 2 at the Duel in the Desert. Walking away from the pit way back there, headed to the driver's meeting. Yeah, last night could have gone better. We made some changes this morning, tracked down some fuel, started getting things rock and rolling. I'm headed to the driver's meeting right now, and then I'm sure we're gonna end up mud packing and going from there. So let's get this day started. Alrighty, guys, pill draw I didn't mention earlier. I drew a 192. So what did we learn about pill draw? That Cooper and I are not allowed to pill draw.
Never do it again.
So tomorrow it's going to be Glenn's turn to pill draw.
I'm going to pick under 100.
Pick under 100.
Mark my words.
So we start in the very back of a 10-car heat race. We are the 10th car. So literally nowhere to go but forward. Came in for mud packing. We are still really muddy, but we got a lot off. Believe it or not, I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but there's a bunch of piles of mud out there that were once on this car. There's still more. I need better implements for scraping mud, that's for sure. That's one thing I learned on this trip. So getting tires and stuff ready. We are heat race number 5, which is after some heat races for sport mods, stock cars, and the super late models. Hopefully we have a better track this time. We didn't really have a good one yesterday. It was really sloppy for us, so hopefully we got a track that we could try to do something with, and rock and roll and go from there. So going to put you guys up in the car, and we're gonna get ready to go out and do our heat race. that didn't go great. I was way too tight on entry, which made me whip the car loose in the center and sent me around in little circles. I got lucky the first time to get it going, and then somebody else drew out a caution, and then the second time not so lucky. But oh, sorry. So right now what I'm going to do is we're looking at loosening up the car. I think I'm going to do a bar change in the right rear, the lower bar change, and then I think I'm also going to change my J-bar. I gotta loosen myself up, especially been looking in the racetrack just keeps slowing down, getting slower. So hopefully what I choose to do is going to work out, help me get around there for the B main. I know I'm going to be in the back of one. Feels like it's been nothing but a struggle so far, but hey, car's still in one piece. So yeah, these guys are working, so I better stop talking to you and get to work myself. Alrighty guys, we are trying to finish up getting ready here for our B main. I start near the back. I think it's like what, 13th in my B main? Yeah, I'm the third B main, so lots of work to do. Dug a hole and kept on digging. So I'm just gonna go out and do the best that I can. I loosened the car up, the track is slowed way down. I'm hoping that that's gonna work out for me, because I'll end up having to back up my entry and slow way down, and then hopefully the car will be loose enough to turn. So at least that's the goal. Anyways, I'm gonna load you guys up into the car, and I'm gonna finish getting myself ready to go and get ready to go race. Well, that could have gone better. Yep. these guys are just like, yep, that could have gone better. Start and stuff, it felt good. I had like one or two good corners is all, and then went through 1 and 2 really nice, and came into 3 and 4 thinking I could take in a little bit more speed because of how nice 1 and 2 went, and I pushed right up and got into the fluff. Went up there and hit the cushion, and I thought I blew a right rear tire because the car just started vibrating like crazy. But as you can see, right rear tire is intact. What it actually was, I think we've decided that we need to start getting wheels that have mud covers. Yeah?
sir.
Good idea.
Yeah. And that was so off balance. It was bouncing up and down. You guys thought I blew a shock, right?
Yeah, we broke shock.
Yeah. I thought I broke something more than just a shock, but so I pulled in and parked it. Thought I was broke or had a flat tire, and I don't know. This mud's pretty packed in here. We've already tried to pry it out. I don't know if that would have ever shaken loose. I don't think so. So I could definitely, yeah, not unless I hit something, right? That would have been real bad. So anyways, car's in one piece, just carrying extra mud and out of balance, I guess. So I think we made changes that were in the right direction of what needed to happen. I probably need more changes in that direction, but you know, it's racing. Otherwise they call it winning, right? So we'll go up. We're gonna go up and watch some racing. We're gonna clean up here, and then we're gonna call it a night and come back and try to do better tomorrow. I think tomorrow, I don't even know if there's a, you know, I don't know what the program is. I think there's only last chance qualifiers, so we might only get to try this one more time, see what happens. So well, is what it is. Still having fun, car still in one piece, and yeah, guess I can't really complain. Mostly it's been driver error this weekend. So well, with that being said, I think we're gonna sign out here so we can clean up and go watch some racing. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns down below. Hit up the Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page. We still got t-shirts. You guys got anything else?
Until tomorrow.
Yeah. My brother's not here, so keep the dirty side down, and we'll catch you next video. Thanks for watching. There we go. Custom wheel weights. Good as new.